It all started when I watched Drive to Survive. I know, I'm embarrassed too looking back. It wasn't long until I left that behind for something more hardcore. I actually started to watch F1. My fix wasn't enough, as they wouldn't race every day or even every weekend. It was only a matter of time until I found karting. It started by watching videos of rentals and indoors, but in no time at all moved on to Rotax. I remember that day like it was yesterday, the day I found KZ2. There was definitely no going back from here. Eventually, and I guess expectedly, watching videos wasn't enough, and ultimately, I booked an arrive and drive session at Wilton Mill. This is when the physicality of the sport, met with my mental fixation, combined into a huge cluster of karting craze explosion in my head. There was no turning back from here. I bought my own helmet and boots by the time I had my only second ever go in a go-kart. My friends thought I was mad, and we eventually grew apart when karting replaced them. I guess they can't judge my OMP boots now though. One of the first times I hit rock bottom was when I joined a karting subreddit and turned notifications onto frequent. That's when my relationship with my girlfriend started to deteriorate, because instead of spending time with her, I was asking people how to improve my lap times and ignoring all the posts warning me of how expensive it had become, or can become. I didn't care about the cost, I just needed to get my fix. At this point, I'd sell a kidney for a set of Mojo slicks or open race sessions, just to feel that condensation from my hot breath against the helmet visor, the blisters on my hand from too many hairpins. As with most addictions, you tend to find yourself mixed with other addicts, and it wasn't long until I started using a GoPro. It was the party drug of karting. Everyone seemed to be on YouTube, and like any drug, bills would come down. There was nothing worse than spending a weekend at the track and hours editing the video for it to get 12 views. But once you get a taste for it, it is difficult to stop. I even race marshaled for 10 hours one day so I could get close to karting.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
If it carries on at the speed it's going, I can see myself in a supercar.